Hello, my name is Angelica and today I will show you what's in this box. I bought the Canon SELPHY CP1300. Let's see what's in there. Manual. For the paper. Power adapter. And here it is. The printer. Okay. So it's the printer, power adapter, paper, and a manual. I will connect this to my computer and see you in a minute. Hello again. Here is my little printer and my iPad. I had a little problem to connect my Android device phone. I don't know what happened, but with the iPad there was no problem. This is a printing app. You have to download it and install it on your device. And you are with me now for our first print. You choose your picture and then press on Druck. It means, it's German, it means print. Oh. Be sure that you have nothing behind your printer, because the paper is going out the back side of the printer. Now it's doing its yellow. And the last time it's protect the paper. Oh, I think, I do not know why it cuts the side, because the original, it doesn't. Maybe you have to be sure that, and the the writing is also cut off. But I think it's not that bad. It's something I painted. Maybe it would be interesting if we could print something else. Now I'm printing another photo. I want to see how it will print the skin color.
Finally, I want to say I am happy with the Canon SELPHY CP1300. The price right now is around 110 to 115 euro without paper. It's small, prints postcard and credit card, stickers, nice for traveling. I will use stickers in my art journal, but for this I have to buy a smaller paper cassette. One downside: why no Bluetooth? The HP Sprocket has Bluetooth, but only prints credit card size. The Instax has no Bluetooth and is very expensive, but has a nice design. So it's your choice. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to. See you in my next video. Bye!